Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making Alfredo chicken pasta. I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you want to listen to our videos. Okay, just first to start off, mom got a pan and she added her vegetable oil inside of the pan and her already marinated chicken and seasoned chicken, and she put it in the pan on, I think it was just like medium heat maybe, and she just left it to cook and just flipped them over. Just flip them all over so you can cook it very well, because you don't want your chicken to be raw. No ma'am, you do not want your chicken to be raw. You do not want to get salmonella. Make sure it's fully done, guys. And now she lets it to cook, and now she flips them over to the side so she can do the same exact thing so it will cook right. As you guys can see, she left it to cook for a long time, and now she's cooking it. As you guys can see, it shrunk a lot. Now she's just mixing it all around, and then the next thing she's going to be adding is her cut up onions, white onions, orange habanero peppers, and red bell peppers. Guys, I don't know about you, but I love onions in my Alfredo. Like, I love the crunch when you bite into when you take a bite of your Alfredo pasta and you feel that crunch of onions. That's good. And the bell pepper just finishes it off, just gives it more flavor, guys. And she's just mixing it around. But how are y'all today? I hope y'all are doing good. And and please stay tuned for the end, because the finished result is amazing. But after this, guys, you guys should definitely try out this Alfredo recipe, guys. This Alfredo chicken recipe with pasta. Oh, it's so good, guys. It's scrumbly yum yum. And now she's adding the bell peppers, the red bell peppers. And just mix it all around so you can get a flavorful. Guys, when I tell you my mom was cooking this, I was up there sleeping by this time, guys. When I tell you I was tired, and she was just mixing it all around. And guys, the smell is so good. Like when you're cooking downstairs and you're upstairs, you can smell the smell. You can smell it from upstairs. It smells so good. And now she's adding the Alfredo. My mom uses, I don't know how to pronounce it, but the company name, or the name, is Betroli Alfredo, guys. If you know me, you know my favorite food is Alfredo pasta. Like, I love Alfredo. It's so good. Now she just added water to the bottle to like get out the extra Alfredo that was in there that didn't get out. And she's gonna mix it all together. Scrumbly yum yum. And after you're done mixing it, you just let it cook. But right now, my mom is going to be adding the more seasonings. She's going to be adding oregano. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce it. Oregano, or yo, I do not know how to pronounce that. What I think that one was either, I don't know the difference between the two, guys. Either this one or that one is oregano, and then I think one of them is paisley pot. Y'all, this pronunciation, y'all. Just get whatever seasoning you guys want to put in, and she put in some salt, guys. She just mix it all together, and she let it cook for a good like 10 minutes, 5 to 20 minutes. As y'all can see, it got very flavorful. It's all boiling up. And she added some boiled eggs. I think 5. Yeah, 5 boiled eggs. And mixed it together again. I love eggs. I love boiled eggs. I don't like, and these are hard boiled eggs, guys. I don't like I just don't like liquidy like when you open it and it's all yolky. It's just I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it, guys. And right here, guys, she's boiling her water so she can cook the. Oh, I think this is called spaghetti. No, this one's called spaghetti. And y'all know my mom and dad lived in Italy, so like, yes, Italiano, they know how to speak Italian too. So they didn't break up the pasta, just put it in there, and it's all done. This is how you make Alfredo with spaghetti and chicken with boiled eggs. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go try out this recipe. But yeah, this recipe was so good. Like I can't even of course I know it's good. Like I love Alfredo. Alfredo is my favorite food. If I go to an Italian restaurant or like Olive Garden, best believe I'm getting Alfredo. Y'all already know me. But she filled it up with so much Alfredo. And then, yeah, this looks so good, baby. Y'all should go try this. Clock it. This is tea. Yes, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you won't miss none of our videos. Bye-bye. We love y'all. One love. Keep us together. Bye. Share this video. Share with Love TV. Bye.